about pre-construction condos. So when you buy a pre-construction condo, the process of choosing the actual unit is different compared to resale. For resale, you can go and view the actual unit and you get what you see. For pre-construction, you have to choose the unit based on floor plans. In some cases, you will actually be able to see a module suite. Layout and the use of the space is the most important thing when picking a floor plan. So what do you need to look for when choosing the right unit? First is exposure. What is it going to be facing? Is there any other building close by, or is it going to be built in the near future? Is there enough sunlight? Maybe there are major roads and highways. Which level the unit is located can determine how much privacy you will have. Check how far your unit is located from elevators, garbage chute, and traffic outside of the unit to avoid an unwanted noise.